It all started when I was little. I want to say like in the 3rd grade, I had wrote a book on the 3 top things that I wanted to do in life. And of course, being a chef was number 1. It just hit me one time. I was driving a truck and thinking, I was like, why not follow my heart and still make people happy? You know, so I decided to look for schools, and I landed the perfect school that fits me perfectly right here in Fort Worth, Texas. The classes are very small, and you know, it's more one-on-one sections with the chefs and instructors, and you know, they loving, they caring, and they actually take the time out to tell you what you're doing wrong versus just, you know, it was okay, and moving you along. They know you by name more than a number. What I would like to pursue after graduation would be the health industry. I would say basically working with more elderly people, like at a nursing home or a hospital such, and just helping people continue to live their lives the way they would want to live their lives. You know, everyday fitness and just eating good and just going on about their everyday business. My favorite part about being in the kitchen, I would say all my outside problems goes away. It's nothing but me and love in the kitchen. I don't think about whatever problems I have for the moment or that I got going on for the next day. It's all about me and the loving spirit that I am in the kitchen. Basically, I love entertaining people. It ain't really based on the money. I just like seeing people smile and watch the love in their eyes and just making people happy because of something that I'm doing. I would have to say SAVORY. Man, it's just something about getting your hands on with just meat, veggies, and just making something magical happen. Follow your heart. Wherever that may lead you to, whatever school it may be, we all one big family. So follow your heart and follow your passion, and you know, good luck on your journey, because once you do get that diploma in your hand that you completed, oh man, you're gonna love it. I can tell you now that I might cry because it's always been a big time goal for me, so I'm gonna love it a lot. Dreams do come true. Stick with it, no matter how much you fail in life. Without failure, you wouldn't be who you are today. So follow your dreams and execute your goals and make it come to reality. Just follow your heart. Love whatever it is that you're doing in life.